Good morning. Today I am going to teach you chapter 4 games, sports and exercises. So let us start. Martial arts in India. In ancient times, sports were often used to teach fighting techniques. This gave rise to martial arts. It is a system of fighting techniques that can be used in war, self defense, or even for entertainment. It was used to train soldiers in the art of fighting in earlier times. An accomplished martial artist can subdue enemies, attack effectively, and defend even when unarmed. India has a rich tradition of martial arts that dates back to the times of the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. The Indian martial arts have spread to many other countries as well. They have become one of the world's most recognized and appreciated forms of martial arts. Some of the more popular styles are the Mardani Khel of Maharashtra, Thang Ta of Manipur, Kalrai Payattu of Kerala, Silambam of Tamil Nadu. Although martial arts are no longer seen as military training exercises, they have gained more popularity as an entertainment sport. Judo and karate are also martial arts that are popular today. Martial arts in India. Indian martial arts refer to the fighting system of the Indian subcontinent. Another term, Yuddha Vidya or combat knowledge, refers to the skills used on the battlefield, encompassing not only actual fighting but also battle formation and strategy. Judo and karate are also martial arts that are popular today. See the picture. Changing pattern of local games. Although India has traditional and local games, these just are slowly losing their popularity. Most of the traditional games are today played only in rural India. In most cities, children and adults prefer to play more modern games like cricket, football, basketball, badminton, and tennis. A game is a structured form of play usually undertaken for entertainment or fun, and sometimes there are exceptions to this in that some games deliberately involve that changing of their own rules, but even then there are. A community will often align itself with a local sport team that supposedly represents it. Although India has many traditional and local games, these are slowly losing their popularity. Most of the traditional games are today played only in rural India. In most cities, children are and adults to prefer play more modern games like cricket, football, basketball, and badminton. See the picture. Changing pattern of leisure. Earlier, people played in their leisure time. However, our leisure activities have changed significantly since then. Now we spend our leisure time in many different ways, like going to a restaurant, the cinema, or a party. A lot of our leisure time is spent in watching television programs. Technology has also changed the way we play. Many of us enjoy playing video games rather than going out to play in the ground. The entertain the internet also offers many options. Earlier people played games in their leisure time. However, our leisure activities have changed significantly since then. Now we spend our leisure time in many different ways like going to a restaurant, going to the cinema, going to a party. Technology has also changed the way we play. Many of us enjoy playing video games, online games. We now play most games alone. This deprives us of fresh air, companionship, and the fun of interacting with others. That means video games and online games are harmful to us, our body, and our eyes. Blow hot, blow cold. This topic is related to breathing. Sometimes we use our breath to warm our hands in winter. Sometimes we also use our breath to cool a hot cup of tea. How does this happen? This happens because our breath is warmer than the outside air and hence we use it to warm our hands. At the same time, our breath is cooler than the hot tea, so it helps to cool the tea. We also blow on sparks of charcoal to help it burn. This happens because our breath has oxygen which helps the fire to burn. When we blow out air on a glass window, it looks misty. This is because our breath contains moisture. When we blow out air on a cool surface like the glass window, the moisture changes into tiny drops of water due to condensation. Here are some examples of the blow hot and blow cold. See and observe it properly. See here also. Observe what happened. Here same thing going. Some is blowing, breathing through the mouth and blowing air on hot things, and someone rubbing their hand to warm it up. You also do this exercise at home and you observe what happened. In this picture same thing happened. See here, one girl is cooling her tea and another boy was feeling hot and he is rubbing his hand and warming himself. What is exercise? Exercise is any bodily activity which enhances or maintains physical fitness and overall health. See, here are some children are keeping fit themselves and doing exercise. Exercise. Playing sport is a good form of exercise. Exercise is important as it keeps us fit, healthy and happy. Sports like football and hockey make us run around, stretch, bend and crouch. All these are part of rigorous exercise. We can exercise even when we are not playing. Simple stretching and breathing exercise should be a part of our daily routine. This helps in building stamina and making us fit and active. Now our topic is over. Here are some objective type of question. You will do this exercise first in your textbook, then in your notebook. Choose the correct answer. Which of these are essential for playing a sport? Rules, team sport, spirit, players, all of these. Right answer is all of these. Second is, which of these is an indoor game? Scrabble, chess, snake and ladders, all of these. Right answer is all of these. Third is, which of these are traditional games of India? Chopat, Gilli Danda, Kabaddi, all of these. Right answer is all of these. Fourth is, martial arts were originally a form of dancing, domestication, warfare and self-defense. Right answer is warfare and self-defense. Fifth, when we inhale, our lungs expand, contract, shrink, none of these. Right answer is expand. Now next topic is fill in the blanks. Games are played according to the right answer is rules. Team spirit means playing for the answer comes in the blanks team. Sania Mirza is a dash player. Answer is lawn tennis. Next, the FIFA World Cup is a championship event of dash. Answer comes here football. Kalri Payattu is form of dash arts. Answer is martial. Now match the rows. MC Mary Kom related with boxing. Championship related with Olympic. Chopat is a traditional game. Vallam Kalli related with snake boat race. Martial arts. Kalriya Pattu. Right, true, false. Team spirit means making oneself the most important person in a team. False. Indian women have never won any international sporting awards. False. None of the traditional Indian games survived. False. We have a national team for cricket. True. Exercising is a waste of time. False.